You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I am showing you guys the items that I bought from Imats in New York. It was actually Friday to Sunday. I believe it was the 15th. No. It was the 13th to the 15th. I actually went on Sunday, which I regret so much. I wish I had went on Saturday because I would have got to meet more people, but oh well, maybe next time. So these are the items. I actually spent the most money on Morphe brushes, and I bought no palettes. No palettes at all. All I bought was brushes. Went to Anastasia. And now. And what else did I go? And glass stuff was actually not on sale. It was regular price. I could have just went to the regular store in Manhattan. Too Faced. Scandinavia. And NYX. Now you guys are gonna laugh when you see what I bought from NYX. Like, I could have got it from the store. I stood on that long ass line for no reason at all. Like, this is really all I bought from NYX. Like, they had nothing I wanted. Nothing. So that was all I bought from NYX. This is what I bought from Morphe. It's just a brush case. It's just a brush case, and I didn't buy no new products, by the way, because I'm way too cheap. So about that. This is also a brush case, but this one has brushes in it, and it's a 12-piece. This is 12-piece. The only kind of brushes I really needed was blending brushes, because that's the ones I really use the most. What am I saying? I also bought some single brushes. They were like $2 and $5. It wasn't that much expensive. I can't remember the prices, but I know this one cost the most. I cannot believe I bought a brush for $15. Like, I was just thinking about it. Like, bitch, you gotta be out your mind. But these are the brushes. So overall, I brought 8 single brushes plus the 12-piece set, and some lashes. I actually needed some lashes. I always ran out, so why not? These are the premium lashes. This one, yeah, premium lashes. This one is Chummy. I cannot wait to try these on. Like, yes, girl, yes. And these are Romancing. And I like my lashes full, so yeah, the getaway. And this one is Hypnotic. They all pretty much just look the same, but whatever. From Inglot, I bought the Sparkling Dust because I lost mine, of course. Always losing shit. Always losing it, but I bought another one. If you guys see my highlighting collection, it's like so ridiculous. Like, so ridiculous. And this is the gel liner. Mine dried out, so I had to throw it out, so I got another one. This is actually in 77. The best. And this is just a free... This is a free lipstick that they gave me. It comes in a square. Let me show you guys what it looked like. It's just a square. You know, cannot wait to try these on. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I didn't open up the gel liner so you guys can see. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know what this looks like. This is what it looks like. And I love this eyeliner so much. Like, so much. From Too Faced, I got these 3 lipsticks, you know, and mascara, because I actually been stealing my mother's mascara. She probably wondering where it is, but yeah, I stole hers and I've been using it, so I've decided to get me one. The lipsticks I bought is the matte, what is it? The liquefied matte long wear lipstick. I sound so illiterate, but I don't know why, but you know. This is what this looks like. If you guys can see this, but I cannot wait to try these lipsticks out. I mostly wear lip gloss, but I wanted to try something new. This one is in the color Evil Twin. The last one I swatched was It's Happening. This one is Evil Twin. And I don't always wear lipstick, but when I do, I always wear dark colors. So this is like a dark brown. You can't really see it on camera, but this one is in the color Wicked. Hold on. This is also a dark color. It's like a dark green. You know. This is what it looks like. And I don't like wearing light color lipstick because I don't feel like it goes with me. I don't know why, but yeah. This is the Better Than lipstick. I said Better Than lipstick. What am I saying? This is the Better Than Sex mascara, and it's waterproof. How you open up this box? This box is so fancy. This is what it looks like. It has like little drops on it. This is so cute. Like, this is so cute. And at at Too Faced, everything was 40% off, I believe. It was 40%. The lipsticks were $21 and they were on sale for $12.60. So I think that was pretty good. Okay, on to the next bag. From Scandinavia, all I got was the setting spray. And this one is in Bridal. That's pretty much all I got from Scandinavia. And this one was free. It's the recovery spray. It's just a sample that they gave me. What else? What else am I missing? And from Anastasia. I know I'm so late with this, but this is the lip palette that I've been dying to get, and I never bought it. It was, I cannot remember the price. I can't remember the price of these things, to be honest. But I believe Anastasia had everything 40% off. And this is just the cream contour palette. Let me open it. This is so old, but I'm just getting it. Oh well. You know when your ass is cheap as hell. This is what it looks like. I didn't want to get the Soft Glam palette because the last palette I bought, like, it broke the next day. So it was like, it's no use for me, honestly. And this is the lip palette. I did not get to open it, so I'm gonna open it. Come on, come on, come on. What is this? Oh, yeah, this is the lip palette. Cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna be mixing colors like crazy. I think I'm gonna be using it on my eyelids too. I'm gonna try something different. I don't know why I can't talk today. I've been saying a lot of nonsense. Like, what's up, Cece? And what else? I think I showed you guys everything. And these little bit of things cost me like close to $300. Like, I didn't understand where my money went. I did not understand where my money went, but can't wait to show you guys how I use these products. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah!